All right, the video I'm about to show you is a video I shot Friday. It's on a package unit that we installed 10 months ago, so it was under labor and parts warranty. I thought that maybe the X13 blower motor had failed because nothing seemed to be working, but that's not what I found. Stay tuned. All right, I'm coming to a package unit where nothing is working. I have it set for cooling right now because it's 80 degrees in there. They have space heaters and they're heating their house with that. But not even the blower's coming on. I don't think we have power. I thought for a little while that maybe the, you know what? No, we, y'all see that? Holy smokes. Yeah, that probably tripped the breaker when that happened. If it didn't, it should have. Whew. Yeah, that fried that. I'm gonna check for power real quick. Nothing. Nothing. Yeah, I got room. All right, we need us a contactor. I was not expecting that. I cut the burnt piece off. It's a little tight, but I have room to hook up to my contactor. This system's only about 15 months old. That's horrible. I cut off the end of that contactor. Looks like it's welded. That's pretty rough. That one turned out just fine. I turned it on and the heat came on. Blower, heat pump, everything did just fine. So I hope no damage was caused by that. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.